So today's lesson, we're going to be looking at the time. We're going to be reading analog clocks, and we're going to be turning those times into digital times on a digital clock. Just so we know the difference, this is an analog clock up here. It has hands or fingers that point towards numbers. Over here is a digital clock, which just lays out the numbers in a row, and it has a colon to separate the hours and the minutes. On an analog clock, the long hand points at the minutes and the short hand points at the hours. So those are the main differences between the two. We are only going to be studying time over 12-hour periods today. Tomorrow we'll be looking at 24-hour clocks. But today we're just looking at 12-hour clocks. So we're going to be using AM and PM. So AM is the middle of the night into the morning to the early afternoon. And then the rest of the day is PM, so that we know those terms. Let's look at precise mathematical vocabulary. So analog, that's the analog clock in the top left corner. A digital, that's a digitally laid out clock, which you see on the top right of the screen. I've written it 12 hours and 24 hours because clocks are often split into 12 hours instead of 24 hours. So today we're going to look at 12-hour clocks. Tomorrow we're going to look at 24-hour clocks. There's those terms again, AM and PM, and that is how we split a 24-hour day into 12 hours on clocks. We use AM and PM, and that word there, convert. So we're going to be converting from time on an analog and turning it into a digital time. We're also going to be solving problems that involve time, such as train schedules and which trains we can catch, and other problems that involve time, something that affects us every day, I'm very sure. So this is one of those skills we can't possibly say when will it come in useful. This is something we use every single day, and solving problems here will help you to solve your own problems in your own life. Use the most of it.